This is a HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor, an affordable and easy to use distance measuring sensor which has a range from 2 cm to 400 cm. This is the most popular sensor for measuring distance and making obstacle avoiding robots with Arduino. This sensor has 4 pins: VCC, ground, trigger and echo. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use it with Arduino. To show the distance, we'll use a 16:2 LCD display with attached I2C. We need a small breadboard, this USB A to B cable for Arduino, 4 pieces male-to-male jumper wire, and 4 pieces male-to-female jumper wire. At first, place the ultrasonic sensor on the breadboard like this. Then we'll hook up the sensor with Arduino. Connect VCC of the ultrasonic sensor to 5V of Arduino. Connect trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor to Arduino digital pin 11. Connect echo pin of ultrasonic sensor to Arduino digital pin 12. And the last pin of ultrasonic sensor, which is ground, will be connected to ground of Arduino. Now we will connect the LCD display. This is LCD display with I2C interface. It has only 4 pins: ground, VCC, serial data and serial clock. The ground pin will be connected to ground. Here we can use the same ground pin which we used for ultrasonic sensor. The VCC pin will be connected to 5V. Like the ground pin, here we can use the same 5V pin which we use for ultrasonic sensor. Connect SDA of LCD display to analog pin A4 of Arduino. And lastly, SCL of LCD display to analog pin A5 of Arduino. Hooking up ultrasonic sensor and LCD display with Arduino has been completed. Now we will upload the code to Arduino. I will share the code and the library for LCD display in the description. Copy the code and open to your Arduino IDE. Select the board and port correctly from the tool option and then upload the code. After done uploading, let's test. Thanks for watching. You are welcome to see some other dive videos from my channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment below.